The silent guardian of the circuit, inductance. The essence of electrical inertia. Electrical inductance, often represented by the letter L, is one of the three fundamental properties of an electric circuit, alongside resistance and capacitance. At its core, inductance is the measure of a conductor's tendency to oppose any change in the electric current flowing through it. It acts as a form of electrical inertia, resisting acceleration and deceleration of charge flow, not the flow itself. Imagine inductance as the circuit's silent guardian, committed to stability. It only becomes active when the current is in flux, when it is increasing or decreasing. The magnetic field connection. The source of this opposition lies in the relationship between electricity and magnetism. When current passes through any conductor, it generates a magnetic field in the surrounding space. The strength of this magnetic field is directly proportional to the magnitude of the electric current. This field is where energy is temporarily stored. Lenz's law, the rule of opposition. When the electric current begins to change, the corresponding magnetic field also changes. This alteration in the magnetic field is the trigger. According to Faraday's law of induction, a changing magnetic flux through a circuit induces an electromotive force, EMF, or voltage, in the conductor. Lenz's law then dictates the direction of this induced voltage. It always creates a current that opposes the change in the original current. If you try to increase the current, the induced voltage pushes back against that increase. If you try to decrease the current, the induced voltage pushes to keep the current flowing. The conductor resists the change. The inductor component. The electronic component designed to harness this property is the inductor, typically just a wire wound into a tight coil. The coiling shape is crucial because it causes the magnetic field lines from each turn of wire to link with adjacent turns. This magnetic linkage concentrates the field, multiplying the effect and maximizing the inductance L, which is measured in Henries. Applications in modern electronics. Inductors are indispensable in electronics. They are used extensively to filter out unwanted noise or ripple from DC power supplies, a process called choking. They also play a critical role in radio frequency circuits and tuning mechanisms, where they are paired with capacitors to create resonant LC circuits. Furthermore, the principle of mutual inductance is the backbone of all transformers, allowing power to be efficiently transferred between circuits without a physical connection.